हेलो चिल्ड्रन, वेलकम टू ASA एजुकेशन। आज कर रहे हैं एक्सरसाइज नंबर 96, Brennan Martin हाई स्कूल ग्रामर बुक। टॉपिक कंजंक्शंस। Fill in the blanks with appropriate conjunctions. Be just and fear not. I ran fast, but I missed the train. He fled, or he was afraid. Make haste, or you will be late. Else, you will be late. Otherwise, you will be late. So any three can work. Unless you try, you will not succeed. I am sure that he said so. Wait till I return. Do not go till I come. He finished first, though he began late. Finished first, although he began late. Take care lest fall. Take a lamp as the night is dark, or take a lamp because the night is dark. As he was ambitious, I slew him. Because he was ambitious, I slew him. Open rebuke is better than secret love. If you eat too much, you will be ill. I shall not go unless I am invited. He has succeeded better than he hoped. I do it as I choose to. If duty calls us, we must obey. Live well so that you may die well. Think not a trifle, though it small appear, or think not a trifle, although it small appear. The purse has been lost or stolen. Rustam is slow but sure. He remained at home as he was ill, or because he was ill. As he was industrious, I encouraged him. ये है आपकी एक्सरसाइज नंबर 96। अच्छी लगी, समझ में आई? सब्सक्राइब करिए ASA एजुकेशन। मिलते हैं अगली एक्सरसाइज में।